What is AI? And how is it really different from machine learning and deep learning? Let's break it down. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the broad field of building machines that can perform tasks which normally need human intelligence. That includes recognizing images, like your phone unlocking with Face ID, understanding language, like Siri or Alexa answering a question, making decisions, like Netflix picking what to recommend next, and solving problems, like a Maps app finding the fastest route through traffic. AI is the umbrella term for all of it. Almost every AI you interact with today is narrow AI, built for one specific job. Your email spam filter, a voice assistant, a chess engine, a recommendation system. Each is really good at one thing, and only that thing. General AI, a system that could think and learn across any task the way a human does, doesn't exist yet. It's the long-term goal researchers are working toward. But what we actually have today is narrow AI. So where does machine learning fit in? Machine learning is a subset of AI, one specific way of building intelligent systems. Instead of a programmer writing explicit rules for every situation, machine learning lets the computer learn patterns directly from data. Think of Gmail's spam filter. Nobody handwrote a rule for every scam email. It learned what spam looks like from millions of real examples. Here's the key difference. In traditional programming, you write the rules yourself, feed in data, and get an output. In machine learning, you flip that around. You feed in data and the outcomes you want, and the algorithm figures out the rules on its own. There are three common types. Supervised learning trains on labeled examples, like emails already tagged spam or not spam. Unsupervised learning finds hidden patterns with no labels at all, like grouping shoppers by what they tend to buy together. And reinforcement learning learns through trial and error and reward, which is how AI agents learn to master games like chess and Go. Deep learning goes one level deeper, literally. It's machine learning using artificial neural networks with many stacked layers, loosely inspired by how neurons connect in the human brain. It's the technology behind things like Face ID and modern voice assistants, learning far more complex patterns than older machine learning methods ever could. Here's how those layers actually learn. Say you're teaching a network to recognize a photo of a dog. The first layer just picks up simple edges and colors. The next layer combines those into basic shapes. Deeper layers combine shapes into parts, an ear, an eye, a nose. And the final layer puts it all together. That's a dog. Each layer builds on the last, automatically, without a human hand coding any of those features. This layered approach is behind almost every major AI breakthrough you've heard about. Image recognition that now beats humans on certain benchmarks. Real-time translation across over 100 languages. Self-driving cars perceiving the road in real time. And large language models, like the ones behind ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, all powered by deep learning. So let's put it all together. Picture three nested circles. The biggest is AI, the overall goal of building intelligent machines. Inside it is machine learning, systems that learn patterns from data instead of hard-coded rules. And inside that is deep learning, the specialized approach using deep neural networks that powers most of today's cutting-edge AI. Every deep learning system is machine learning, and every machine learning system is AI, but not the other way around. And that's the difference between AI, machine learning, and deep learning. If this helped things click, hit subscribe to AllAboutAIVerse for more videos breaking down AI, one concept at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.